Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, this video is about, and it's for 3 viewers that reached out to me about bed bugs. The fact that their parents don't believe them. They're stating their situations that they're getting bit constantly. They have seen bed bugs, but no one is believing them. And they don't know what to do. They're crying, they're traumatized, they're just going through so much. And they can't afford to diatomaceous earth. I remember one person stating that she just started working, so she can't afford it right now. The other person said that they're not employed at the moment. And I can't remember what the third person said, because the other one was a little further back than the other. But I'm coming now because by you guys coming to me stating that you can't afford to diatomaceous earth, and you can't get, the people in your home to believe what you're saying, it's been heavy on my heart. And I've reached out to you guys, all 3 of you. I've reached out to you to help you as much as I can. And my way of helping is by gifting you bags of diatomaceous earth. I have not received a response from you guys. I did comment how to send your information, just an email address, and how to send it in order for me to get in contact with you, so we can get this diatomaceous earth out to you as soon as possible. But I have not heard from any of you. I have not heard from any of you. And like I said, it's heavy on my heart. It's worrying me, because I know how these bugs can destroy your life. I know how traumatizing it is if you're sensitive to the bites. And I know exactly what you're going through. I know people who are not experiencing this just couldn't fathom what we would go through, or what you're going through. So I hope you see this video. If you do, please comment so I can tell you how to get your email address out to me so we can get this thing started. I can get you a bag of diatomaceous earth, and you can spread it throughout your home. I also created a video for you guys to show your moms or your parents, whomever you're living with. If it was your mom, your dad, your cousin, your aunt, uncle, friend, shelter, wherever. I created a video for those people to see who may not believe what you're saying. I really don't know what else to do at this point, but this is like a last-ditch effort. This video is a last-ditch effort for me to try to reach out to you guys so I can help you. So the least I could do is send you these bags of diatomaceous earth, these 4 or 5 pound bags that will last well over a year. Well over a year. And yeah, please, hopefully you will see this video and you will reach out to me so I can in turn reach out to you and help you. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next video.